Presenting the 2002 Ford Ranger XL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power outlet, front disc rear drum brakes, power steering, variable speed intermittent wipers, split bench seat, AM/FM stereo, engine immobilizer, ABS, and rear-wheel drive. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.